Welcome! Today I'm showing how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into a STK LIFE 9. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find security option. Then scroll down one more time and click advanced option at the bottom. And here we got SIM card lock option. Then choose your SIM card, and here we got lock SIM card. Now we got turn on this option, click here to switcher to turn off. And for unlocking, you need to enter your PIN from your SIM card and click OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.